Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer your Cardano from Revolut to Exmo in 2025. With the crypto world evolving rapidly, this process has gotten even smoother, but we'll cover everything step by step to ensure you do it safely and efficiently. Whether you're looking to diversify your portfolio or just move funds, this tutorial is perfect for beginners and seasoned users alike. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Revolut and Exmo. In 2025, Revolut has enhanced its crypto features with better security and faster transactions, so start by logging into your Revolut app. Navigate to the Crypto section, select your Cardano holdings, and look for the Withdraw or Send option. This is where you'll generate a withdrawal request. Next, head over to your Exmo account. By now, Exmo might have integrated more advanced wallet options, so go to the Deposit section and choose Cardano. You'll get a unique wallet address. Copy this carefully, as it's crucial for the transfer. Back in Revolut, paste this address into the withdrawal form. Don't forget to select the correct network. Cardano uses its own blockchain, so ensure it's set to that to avoid any errors or lost funds. Before you confirm, double-check the amount you're transferring. In 2025, network fees might be lower due to upgrades, but always account for them to avoid surprises. Hit Confirm, and wait for the transaction to process. It usually takes a few minutes to an hour. Once it's done, you can verify the funds in your Exmo wallet. A quick tip: enable two-factor authentication on both platforms for added security, and keep an eye on any regulatory changes in your region that could affect crypto transfers. If you run into issues, like delayed confirmations, check the Blockchain Explorer for your transaction status. And there you have it. Your Cardano is now safely transferred. This simple process can help you manage your assets more effectively. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.